Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to turn on YouTube history. Log into your Google account. Go to myactivity.google.com. Click on YouTube history. Currently, YouTube history is turned off. Click on the Turn On button. Click on Turn On again to confirm. Setting is turned on. Click OK to close the dialog box. This is how you can turn on YouTube history. Please note that this will turn on both search and watch history. Thank you for watching.